Hi, I'm Sarah Gutterman, CEO of Green Builder Media, and I'm here with JD Wicks, sales leader with Resideo. Resideo offers connected living solutions, smart thermostat, and other demand-side energy management products. Can you talk about the demand that you are seeing for connected living products and systems, as well as energy management products specifically?
There's a lot of changes happening in home building, or actually the housing industry in general. And there's been a lot of smart products that have been introduced over the years, right? And I think the biggest change now is that we're seeing these smart products really enhance the overall homeowner experience as they move into the home. So homeowners today are concerned with things like, what are my energy costs going to be? What's the cost of ownership going to be? And how do I navigate those things? And by using like our controls, like smart thermostats are probably the most popular, we're able to enable, features that lower those costs so they can manage their energy better. They get data that allows them to see how their subsystems in their homes are performing. They can integrate these things to third-party products and again, really just create a better overall experience on how the home lives and how they're able to really, navigate and manage those, typically the largest cost in the home, which is around your HVAC units for heating and cooling and things like that. And kind of a subset of that is, these connected devices are now able to really talk to each other through, software that works with these great, hardware products. So now I can, look at a video doorbell, I can, manage my garage door, my entry point of the home, and then, tie those into the energy devices like thermostats and things like that. And lastly, really there's the ability now to, allow these thermostats and things to integrate to utility platforms. And that's where, homeowners have the ability to manage their energy usage, but now they can also get discounts from those utility providers based on, different events and things that may happen depending on where they live.
I'm happy to hear that you are seeing that there's increased homeowner and homebuyer demand for these connected technologies. Are you seeing more demand based on certain demographics or geographics? Can you kind of slice and dice the market that way, or are you just kind of gauging overall consumer demand?
Especially with the younger buyers, right? There's probably just a lot more awareness of some of these things. I mean, I think everybody wants to leave the world better than they found it, and I just think that's more of a, that kind of that nature. So I think they look at not just the products and how they help the home, but how they're packaged, right? How they're, what they do to the economy from a manufacturing standpoint. So I think there's just an overwhelming newness to some of this where, they're more concerned, right? They want to know where the products come from. They want to know that it's a manufacturer that cares about the environment. They want to know that the builder cares about the environment, and these are going to have some type of impact. And again, I think, especially with first-time buyers, there's a real challenge with cost today, right? So it's not what is the home cost, but what are my monthly payments? Is this affordable? And all these things weigh into that. So it's kind of the cost of ownership and what that looks like on a monthly yearly basis, more so than just the price of the home. So these sustainable and these energy efficient homes today, the utility bills are so low, and if you factor that into the overall cost of ownership, it really changes the mindset of the home buyer.
Now let's shift gears and talk about the Vision House Las Vegas that we're doing with Beazer Homes. It's a 61 home community just outside of Las Vegas in Henderson, Nevada. And we're very grateful that Resideo is a project partner for that project. We're happy that Beazer is raising the bar on their competitive set of production builders by committing to going Zero Energy Ready certified for all of their homes across their national portfolio, with this project being one of the cornerstones for that commitment and enabling Beazer to really kind of talk about it on a national basis. So talk a little bit about what you're seeing in terms of transformation, not only with Beazer and other production builders, but also, how you feel a project like this can really help raise the bar within the building industry.
Kind of shows that this is real, right? By having a community built like this, it takes all the ideas and formulas and puts them together into a tangible product. So I think it brings realness to the idea that that you can do net zero or truly sustainable homes, and you can still build them that are affordable and give them out into the population. I think that's the most important piece. It just takes it from a concept to a real project and a real home.